This video will show you how to make ginger lemon honey cubes. My name is Lydia. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, welcome, and also a hug to all my fans. So I'm going to show you the process I take to make these cubes. It's very easy to make and it's so convenient for everyone to grab one and then melt in hot water or cold water and drink it. It keeps your body strong and also helps you to fight cold symptoms, flu and things like that. Where I live, especially this winter period, people are always going through one flu cold cycle, so it's good to have it in your freezer and take it every morning or night with hot water. My kids, they love to use that in their water. They want something like a flavored water or infused water, and by taking it, it also helps them to be strong during the school time. They are always strong, up and doing, and it helps your body to fight any form of flu or cold symptoms, and that's why I love to do it. And it's very easy when you use cubes to portion it in little portions. So that is it, and sit back and watch the rest of the video. In this one, I added raspberry for a different flavor. You can use any other fruit that you love, to give it a different flavor, so you don't burn out, like getting tired of using the same recipe and the same flavor. Okay, I love you guys, and also if you can give us a thumbs up at the end of this video, we appreciate that. And also subscribe to our channel to help us to grow. And until I meet you again, have a great day and enjoy your week. Bye.